AMALearning, you're about to. Specification 0.1.17. Calculate percentage gain and loss of mass in osmosis. The percentage change in mass is calculated in the following manner. Step 1. Measure the start mass of the sample in osmosis. Step 2. Measure the end mass. Step 3. Subtract the start mass from the end mass. Step 4. Divide the change in mass by the start mass. Let's go through an example. A potato has a starting mass of 1.02 grams and an end mass of 1.08 grams. This means the change in mass equals 1.08 minus 1.02, which equals 0.06 grams. The percentage change in mass is calculated in the same way you would calculate percentage change in mathematics. The change in mass divided by the original mass multiplied by 100. In this case, the calculation is therefore 0.06 grams, which is the change in mass, divided by 1.02 grams, which is the original mass multiplied by 100, which equals 5.9%. Let's go through one more example. A potato has a starting mass of 3.42 grams and an end mass of 2.95 grams. This means the change in mass equals 2.95 minus 3.42, which equals minus 0.47 grams. The percentage change is the change in mass divided by the original mass multiplied by 100. In this case, the calculation is therefore minus 0.47 grams, which is the change in mass, divided by 3.42 grams, which is the original mass multiplied by 100, which equals minus 13.7%. Our animations were designed by experienced UK-trained teachers. We have been achieving amongst the best results in the country for many years, and we decided it was time to share our success. Have you just AMALed and want to AMAL some more? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to keep yourself up to date with the latest uploads. AMALearning, you just did.